WazirX P2P is a platform that lets you buy USDT easily using Indian rupees on a WazirX app or website. Let's find out how to use P2P to trade easily, securely, and swiftly. To start using WazirX P2P, click on the P2P tab at the top right in the main exchange section. On the P2P page, you have two options. You can either place a request to buy USDT or check your existing or past orders. To place a new request, click on the Convert INR into USDT option. Enter the rate at which you'd like to buy the USDT and the number of tokens you'd like to buy. The total INR amount is auto-calculated based on your desired buy price. If you want to buy from a particular seller in our system, you can specify their XID in the preferred seller field. However, this field is optional. When left blank, we'll auto-match you with the best available seller. Click on Buy button to place your order. WazirX P2P will now start matching you with sellers directly and confirm when a match is made. You can make payments using UPI or the IMPS mode. Select your preferred mode to proceed. You will have only 10 minutes to select the payment mode. Click on Yes, I will pay to view the seller's payment details. Once you confirm to pay, you will get additional 60 minutes to complete the payment. However, there will be a penalty for not paying after clicking Yes, I will pay. Minimum penalty will be 10 USDT or 1.2% of trade value. Complete the payment based on the details available on the screen. Once the payment is done, you will have to upload the payment proof and then click on the checkbox and I have paid. Once you have confirmed the payment, the seller will have to confirm the receipt of the payment. Upon seller's confirmation, you will get a confirmation. So this is how you can easily trade at zero trading fee with WazirX P2P. You can also check out how it works section for more information on placing a P2P order. So before I end this video, here are some best practices. Always use your bank account registered with us to make the payment. Do not use your spouse, relative or a friend's account. Always upload a screenshot of your transaction. Remember, a false confirmation of payment will be chargeable.